Datin Sri Rosma, who is also the Permata patron, launched the program at the Vision School complex in USJ 15, Subang Jaya. The Permata Pintar Negara program is carried out with the cooperation of Universiti Kebangsaan Malaysia, or UKM, and the Centre for Talented Youths of the Johns Hopkins University. She also distributed program brochures to the respective state education directors at the launch. At a press conference after the launch, Datin Sri Rosma said there were about 140,000 smart students in the country, but only 20,000 have undergone the screening tests conducted since March the 2nd. She urged state education directors to identify smart students aged from 9 to 15 years old from their states and send them for the screening tests.
Saya harap pengarah pelajaran negeri akan memberi pula taklimat kepada pegawai pelajaran di peringkat daerah dan seterusnya kepada guru-guru besar supaya murid-murid akan dapat ataupun akan diberi peluang untuk mengambil ujian UKM 1 dulu. Apabila markah mereka adalah di peringkat 80 ke atas, the full mark is 140, mereka akan dipanggil ke UKM untuk mengambil ujian UKM 2.
300 students scored the highest marks during the screening tests and have been selected to attend a 2-week camp in UKM to be trained by facilitators in mathematics, science and creative writing. Selected facilitators will be sent for special training at a summer camp program at the Johns Hopkins University in the United States of America in June. These facilitators, comprising professors and teachers, will then organize courses in July and August for other facilitators who will carry out future holiday camps. Education Director General Dato' Alimuddin Muhammad Dom was also present at the launch. He said that such efforts should be continued to cater to the needs of smart students.
Ini adalah merupakan satu perintis di mana kita akan mewujudkan sebuah institusi untuk pelajar-pelajar yang pintar cerdas. Dan saya difahamkan pada tahun 2011 nanti akan kita wujudkan sebuah sekolah itu di mana terletak di Universiti Kebangsaan, di mana nanti pelajar-pelajar ini akan diajar pada aras yang tinggi lah. Ini merupakan satu aset kepada negara kita di masa akan datang.